Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make a cute and simple origami heart. You will need a square piece of paper and your hands. So first fold it in half with the color side on the outside. Unfold it. Then fold it in half again. Unfold it. Take the top and bring it to the middle and fold it. Then turn it over. Bring the corners down to the middle. Flip it over and fold the tip to the edge. Flip it over, open this part and fold it. Same to this side. Then take the sides and fold them down. Fold the tips down. Take each side and fold it to the middle. Then flip it over. Fold these over the heart like that to make a crease. Unfold and tug them under. That's it. There's your heart. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching Pink Penguiny, and stay tuned for more videos.